If you're trying to watch your sugar intake, watch calories, or maybe if you're diabetic and you still want to enjoy some summertime mocktails, but don't want to use simple syrup in your drinks, I have a solution for you. Today what we're going to do is make stevia syrup. Now stevia is a 0-calorie natural sweetener, plant-based, and it's 30 times sweeter than regular sugar. So let's get started. You're going to need a sauce pot. On your cooktop, you're going to add a half a cup of water. You're going to add 3.5 tablespoons of bulk stevia, or if you're not using the bulk and you just have the packets of stevia, this equates to about 12 packets. So you're going to pour your stevia into the water. You're going to turn the heat on, bring it to a boil, and make sure all of your stevia crystals are dissolved. Okay? So while this is boiling, this is just going to take a couple minutes. So this would be a great substitute in any mocktail recipe that would call for simple syrup as an ingredient. Here you're going to save calories. This half-cup portion of stevia syrup has 0 calories, whereas a half cup of simple syrup has 400 calories. So that is quite a savings. So give this a try, and you can still enjoy your summertime mocktails without all that sugar.